Yeah. All right, so you guys see all the drop front containers I just picked up today. I actually placed this order a week and a half ago, but I chose the store pickup, so I put the date and I put the time. So I went up there and grabbed it. It was like no contact. I didn't even talk to the dude. I just put out a ride, put what kind of car I was in, and he came and dropped it off on the curb, man. So I put him in the car, and now we here, man. So I got set all these joints up. Like I said, I wanted to fill my whole room or my whole back wall up with drop front containers, and I'm pretty close. I still got a lot of shoes in my closet I need drop fronts for, but my Yeezys and stuff like that, that's on the ground that you guys will be seeing in the live streams and some of the videos, are all going in these drop front containers, man. A lot of people always ask me, where do I get my containers from, where do I get my drop fronts from, and they come from the Container Store. I know Crep does drop front containers, and I think it's another one that does drop front containers, but me, I've been rocking with drop front containers from the Container Store for a long time, man. So to answer your question, where I get these from, the Container Store, and you can still purchase them today if you wanted to. If you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now. We're right on the corner from 25,000 subscribers, man. I know, like, why is he bent over right now? Because I'm kind of tired. I just picked all these joints up and put them in my room, so I'm a little gassed, you know what I'm saying? But we're about to throw these joints up. Make sure you hit the notification bell for your boys to never miss another video or live stream drops on the channel. And please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at the Vintage World. The link will be in the description box below, man. So with all that being said, we're going ahead and throw all these joints up on the back wall. You see all the shoes over there. We about to throw these joints up over there. And yeah, we're gonna finish talking about StockX, man. They made a huge mistake. So let's get it. Wish I had a little help right here, just a little bit, but we are almost done. Also know that the Yeezy slides came out today. As you guys know, I've been had these joints. I guess now they're catching the hype. You know, that's how it is kind of with Yeezy and Kanye in general. People got to catch on to the wave, man. Now these Yeezy slides is like, you know what I'm saying, a hot commodity right now. But your boy already had them, you know what I'm saying? So you can't call me a hype beast, you feel me? Had them before the hype was born. I think I got this backwards. What the heck? And I did not know if you broke the containers. I thought you could take them back and get a return, but they sell these joints separately for like $1.99. So Container Store, man, they be hitting you over the head with these charges. And a lot of these came undone, but it's a quick little fix, you know. Nothing major. Simple pop in, just like that. And you know, oh man, my back is hurting, man. I don't know what's going on with my back. But I do plan on going live this upcoming Saturday. For the release. The Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 linens will be dropping. I will be trying to cop a pair if I do not hit on this raffle. I hope I do. I think they send out the notifications if you hit today or tomorrow. I'm not for sure, but I will let you guys know either today or tomorrow if I hit on them. Right now I'm just rambling because I'm honestly tired of putting these drop fronts up. I still got another 2 boxes to go. Oh my goodness. Somebody help me. There you go. Right foot slide. Oh my goodness, I still got 2 more boxes. Hey, I need you guys to hit that like button right now, man. Please. You already know the goal for every video is 200 likes. And your boy is sitting up here setting up my sneaker room, my man cave, whatever you want to call it, up in front of you guys. I don't know if you guys remember, I did an IKEA $100 room challenge or whatever. And that video, I just checked it, it did pretty good, man. It got almost 20,000 views in less than 1 year. I did not expect that video to do as good as it did. But if you have not checked that video out, man, make sure to check it out. I was dropping some gems for you guys about how to set up your room, man. A lot of people always ask me where I get these light shelves from, and I get them from IKEA, man. Like, everybody was asking me. And I think you can even get those light shelves from Amazon, eBay, and stuff like that. But I was in Germany when I got them. It was like 30 minutes down the road to IKEA. Or maybe it was like an hour, I'm not for sure. But it only costs like 50 euro, which is like $55 or like $60, something like that, which is not bad. Looks very dope, looks very presentable. And I wanted to go with the all black over the all white just because white, when dirt get on it, dust get on it, it looks very bad, man. But rather than black, you know what I'm saying, you just get the polish, you know what I'm saying, polish it off, and it looks good. So let's go ahead and finish putting these joints up, man. I'm kind of tired. All right, last one. We almost there. We almost made it. And that's a wrap. Now all I gotta do is put all my shoes in there, the shoes that I want. I still got a whole bunch of shoes in my closet, but I'm about to go through it right now. You guys are gonna see a difference in like a couple of seconds. Finished the whole wall pretty much. I still need some more to go right here and all the way up top, man. It's gonna make it look very spectacular, man. It looks dope right now, but I know I need to switch the clear cases to one side so it don't look all crazy, because it kind of looks like it's like a letter or a zigzag, something in the middle. But we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna put all the ones with the ones, twos, and so on and so forth. Put all the Yeezys together. You guys see what we was trying to accomplish right there, but we're gonna get it done after this, man, because I'm kind of tired and we still got a whole video to shoot, man. So with all being said, let's jump right into the topic of discussion today, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we are back at the crib, man. We already finished putting all the drop front containers, putting all the shoes that I could into them. I still got another like 20 pair to put in some drop fronts, but I think that's gonna fill the whole wall, man. So we're gonna wait on that. But of course, I will update you guys as it comes along, man. But like I said, if you're new to the channel right now, what you guys do is subscribe right now. We are so close to 25,000 subscribers, man. It means so much to me, man. Make sure you hit that like button if you have not hit the like button yet, man. The goal for every video is 200 likes. So right now, if you watch this, man, just help your boy out. Hit the like button. So what we were supposed to be talking about today was StockX, man. Now, effective April the 22nd, they're going to be adding another fee on top of buying sneakers. I'm like, that's crazy. Just last month, they cut the seller's fees from 7% to 3.5%. And now we're coming in April where it's a crazy time right now. A lot of people don't even want to spend that extra bread already. But now people are going to be having to pay more money to get their sneakers from StockX, man. I've been told you guys, I'm not saying I'm done with StockX, stuff like that, but it's going to be a little bit harder for me to go to StockX when I got to pay another 3% on top of whatever shoe that I want, man. A 3% processing fee. As you guys do know, StockX only charges tax and shipping, man. You didn't have to pay for authentication fee. You didn't have to do any of that, but now you have to pay an extra 3% of whatever the shoe costs. So say you get a Travis Scott one for $1,000, man, you're gonna have to pay an extra $30 on top of the shoe, man, along with the shipping and along with the taxes. So you're just adding and adding up the price on these sneakers. I always remember people telling me StockX is cheaper than GOAT. And now you can see where StockX is kind of leading up to that same path, and they charge them more money on top of their sneakers. And I feel like the shipping from StockX is super overpriced. $13.95 for anything you want to buy. Even if you buy a shirt, if you buy any watches, handbags, anything like that, something that small is going to cost you $13.95 for shipping, which is really crazy. I know I asked this question last night to you guys. How do you feel about this whole StockX situation? And a couple of you guys told me how you felt, man. And a lot of people saying they're gonna be the new Flight Club. As you guys do know, Flight Club charges crazy prices, and that's why to this day I've still not bought not one thing from Flight Club, because their prices is crazy. And just to think back, I dropped the video talking about StockX versus GOAT, and a lot of people, like I said, always said that StockX was cheaper than GOAT, and that's the only reason they like StockX better. So now that the price is gonna be very similar, I wonder how many people are gonna be rocking with StockX or GOAT. I'm not gonna lie, I probably won't buy nothing from StockX for a long time to come, but I still know there's people out there that wanna watch this video that still rock with StockX, and they just not getting notified that they're gonna have to pay another 3% processing fee on top of whatever sneakers they buy after April 22nd. All right, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy, man. I show you guys setting up my drop front containers. I bought an extra 5 boxes. I still need about 2 or 3 more to fill up all my sneakers in my collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, and make sure you hit the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video or live stream that drops on the channel. And make sure you hit that like button right now for your boy. To go for every video is 200 likes. So right now, slap that like button. That show YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. Make sure you guys go check out my last couple videos. Go leave a like over there. If you guys have not seen that Scoop 208 live stream, man, make sure you go check it out. It's the latest live stream on the channel. Like I said, I do plan on going live this upcoming Saturday for the Adidas 350v2 landing release. And make sure you head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DEVINTAGE World. Of course, it will be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.